Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see AirPods battery on your lock screen. First, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Keep them closed and open the AirPod case one. Make your iPhone and press the lock screen until it zoom out. Tap customize, then tap lock screen. Tap the weight area under the clock. Scroll down and tap batteries. Choose the small batteries weight and tap it to add. Tap done in the top right corner and that's it. Now whenever your AirPods are nearby, the lock screen will instantly show the AirPod battery, charging case battery, iPhone battery. The battery only shows when the AirPods were recently used or the case was opened. This feature works on iPhone running iOS from Apple. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.